Hey, how's it going, guys? Friday morning here at the shop, and fabbing up some more frames. We finally got moved in over here now. This is our new facility. We got everything underneath one roof now, which works out great for us. But it was a little struggle getting in here. We had to run new electric. To accommodate our welders, our chop saws. We have equipment up front that they do the printing on that required its own power. And the power we had here was not going to be adequate, so we added another service into this. I did most of the wiring from the panel out. But it's a fun day. I'm just chilling, building more frames. That one had a repair. That one got hit by a vehicle that was too tall through a drive-through, but I was able to straighten that out. Building a new frame now. So there's a lot more fab work going on here. That's kind of what I do during the day. And but yeah, fun day here at work. There will be more content out next week. As far as the Lark goes, and I think we came up with a name for the car, and post down in the comments below if you want, but I think we're going to name it Larkamy, and but we're going to do some more content on that. But other than that, guys, I want to get back to work. Y'all have a good weekend, and I'll see you down the road.